Hello and welcome to DaveTech. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to download the mouse toggle application using a code on your Android TV, TV box, Google TV, or any device running an Android operating system. This method will use the downloader application. Check the link in the description and watch the tutorial to show you how to get this downloader application. When you have it, click on the download application and click to home. You'll be prompted to put in a code. For our mouse toggle application, the code is going to be 25628. Put in the correct code and hit go. You'll be redirected to this site and you have to give it a few seconds to begin the download automatically. Now you may be wondering what TV box I'm running this code on, and it's the Sling TV box. It has served me well, and you can find it with the link in the description. Now that the mouse toggle for Fire TV is installed, you hit on the install button to get into your Android TV. After that, you hit the done and you can delete the package installation file. This will save space on your Android smart TV. Download the application in your app drawer. That is it for this video. Like, share and subscribe if you found value, and I'll see you in the next one.